Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video I want to show you a product that I just released, and it comes with private label rights, meaning you can resell it. Why is this such a deal? Well, true confession, my daughter and I, we sit up not every night, but a lot of nights when we're supposed to be going to sleep at our different houses miles away, and we start on Instagram. We hit that Instagram icon, and then we start finding this really funny memes, and we start sending videos back and forth, and I send them to my niece and other family members, and it becomes like a family joke, inside family jokes about different videos. And I tell you, when I'm doing this, I'm also looking at marketing videos because I'm in the wealth make money niche online. I'm always looking to see what people are doing and how they're selling, and are they being successful doing that. So with that being said, one thing that I found that people in Instagram absolutely love, and it's PLR. It's called private label rights. It means it's a digital product that you can actually purchase, and sometimes depending on the license you can use it as is and resell it as is. And other times, like with the one I've got right here, you can actually resell it as is. You just pick a cover and, delete the rest and start selling it. And the best place to sell is on Instagram. And you don't even have to show your face. You can actually just, like download one of these covers to your computer and then upload it to Instagram and link to your product. And you can put your product in Stan Store. You can put it in Gumroad. You can actually just create a Stripe buy button and just link out to a buy button, on a free Google website. All of those things you can do. Super easy. So this one is really, really popular. And I actually sold this today. Let me see how many times in the last couple hours. So 1, 2, 3. Well, 3 times in the last couple hours, which is good. And I'm hoping for more. I'm hoping for more as a payment for something else from affiliate commissions. But anyway, this kind of product, which is like an instant downloadable digital product, is selling like crazy on Instagram. And all they're doing is, see, this is faceless right here. Faceless. You could take a picture of your ebook and your computer. You don't even have to show your face to do this. You really don't. You can do pictures of your yard. You can do pictures of yourself, your hands, just like, cooking. You really don't have to show your face with Faceless Marketing. Here's one, Faceless Marketing. That's a big thing too on Instagram. That's a trending thing. How to sell on Instagram without showing your face. And of course, you can do it on Pinterest too. So if we log into Pinterest, make sure I'm recording still. You could actually just screenshot, pick one of these covers that you get in the How to Create and Sell Digital Products. Pick one, delete the rest, and then download it as a PDF standard. And you can actually double your potential sales by going into the book copy itself and putting in like your Stan Store link, why create and sell digital products. And then at the bottom you could say, get my Stan Store. Here's my Stan Store affiliate link. I love Stan Store. Or you could link out to something else. You can do affiliate marketing within your PDF. Okay, you can actually do affiliate marketing inside your digital download, which is what I do. Okay, so you could actually take you could download each of these covers, and it comes with 23 different covers that you can use, and you can download each one of these to Pinterest and then link to your buy button. Yeah, that's what I would do. And let's look at all the different covers. Okay, here we go. I'll start at the top and scroll down. Okay, let's start right here. So here we go. I'm going to do a grid view. Look at all these covers. You can pick from, you can use any of these covers. They're all super cute. And these can be like, you can use them in Instagram, you can use them in Pinterest. Yeah, Faceless Marketing. Let's do it. Okay. Anyway, click the link below and you will see how to download this, how to purchase and download, and then just resell it. I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye now.